Carbon monoxide poisoning. Tonight, officials in Belize say that is what killed 3 young women from Revere who were found dead in their hotel room. A toxicology report shows it was not a drug overdose as they initially suspected. Thanks for being with us tonight. I'm Lisa Hughes.
And I'm David Wade. The families of the 3 women demanded answers for weeks, and this is really a dramatic turn from that original theory. Now, the 3 women, Kautar Nakad, Iman Mala, and Wafa El Arar, traveled to Central America for a birthday celebration back in February. A hotel worker then found them in their room unconscious. Investigators immediately checked the room for high levels of carbon monoxide, and they said that the test had come back negative. However, today they revealed other guests at the resort complained of CO exposure, and they retested the room, this time with the heater on.
If the heater is left on, the gas escape into the room. So I would want to think that when they had gone to do the test following the discovery, the heater was off.
Now, those officials in Belize say the toxicology report showed no illegal drug use. The medical examiner's office here in Massachusetts is now conducting its own report. The results of that are still pending. Belize investigators say the public prosecutor will decide whether the hotel will be facing any criminal charges.